All right, so let me quickly put my Cardano keys within that data directory to make them discoverable within the Midnight Node container. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just wormhole those keys in this project here and download all my test keys. Obviously, you can, depending on how you're managing your keys, just make sure that you can make them discoverable to the container. The way I'm going to do that is with the data directory, just because that's more convenient for me. Now I have this priv directory. I have pool and wallet. I have a ton of testnet pools. So my key structure probably is going to look a lot more busy than yours. However, I'm going to just use this pool called Reaver Fleet, where I have all my Cardano keys, and I also have a wallet associated with that pool. Now, the wallet keys don't have to be associated with the pool. It's just going to pay for the registration transaction, but this is just how I have my keys organized here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this priv directory into data. I'm going to just drag with VS Code since I'm already in here. And now data has this priv directory, which has my Reaver Fleet pool keys in them. I actually don't need this temporary file anymore either. Okay. Now, if I were to go into the container again, I can verify my Cardano keys are discoverable within the container by just entering it, going into data, listing the files in there, and I see I have the priv directory, and I could go in there and verify the keys in more detail, but I'm not going to dive deep into that file structure there. I know that those keys are there now. All right, so we have a Midnight Node container. We have our Cardano keys accessible to that container. So the next step is we will generate partner chain keys.